In this video, I am going to discuss a topic from statistical diagrams, and the topic is negative correlation. So, negative correlation means when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. Here we are dealing with two different quantities. Now, one is engine size, and that is given in liters, and the second one is fuel consumption, which is also given. Now, we can draw a scatter diagram to correlate this data. When engine size is 1.9, fuel consumption is 17, and you can draw that on this graph. In the graph, x-axis represents engine size, y-axis represents fuel consumption. As discussed, this point is 1.1 engine size, this one, while 21 fuel consumption taken from this table, this one, first point, 1.1 and 21, this one. Then the second point, this one, is 1.9 engine size and 17 fuel consumption, 1.9 and 17, this point. So in this way you can plot the other points as well. This point is also plotted in the same way, 3.2 engine size and 14 fuel consumption, and these 2 points can be plotted in the same way. Now this line was the line of best fit. Now what is the line of best fit? Now draw a line in order to pass through these points in such a way that your points below the line and above the line, they should be equal. You have to try that the points above the line, you have 1 point above the line, you have 1 point below the line, rest of the points are almost passing through the line. So this is the line for the best fit, because it is passing through maximum number of points, and we have equal number of points above the line and below the line. Now this line shows a negative correlation, which means when engine size increases, as you move from left to right, engine size increases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when engine size increases, your fuel consumption decreases. For example, at this point, engine size is 5 while fuel consumption is 9. Whereas when at this point, when engine size was less, engine size was 1.1, fuel consumption was almost 21. So engine size increased, fuel consumption decreased from 21 to somewhere around 9 over here. So when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases, so that is a negative correlation. So this is the concept of negative correlation. Thank you so much.